good evening. This is our video lecture series on uh, Unit 7, Topic 5. This is solving quadratic inequalities algebraically. So we're going to use algebra to solve the quadratic inequalities, and then the next lesson we're going to cover using the graphs. So solving a quadratic inequality algebraically, the methods that we use to solve quadratic equations are also going to be used as part of the process of solving quadratic inequalities. So let's take a look at the four types that we're going to see. Zoom in on this region here. We have A less than X less than B. Okay, so when we see less than or greater than without the equality part of it, that is going to be exclusive. Because the region is going to be between A and B, this is the exclusive AND. So X is greater than A and it's less than B. So that's your inequality notation. Then we have interval notation with the parentheses. So the exclusive AND says that we exclude the endpoints as part of the solution. So we reject A and B, but everything in between is okay. And the next one, we have A is less than or equal to X, which is less than or equal to B. So this one is inclusive because it's the equal part of it as well. So it's inclusive AND. So X is greater than or equal to A, or and X is less than or equal to B. So when we have the and, or when we have the equal part of it, we include brackets whenever we do the interval notation. Okay, then when we graph the number line, we include the endpoints because we accept them as part of the solution. Okay, in the next one, we have the exclusive OR. So this is exclusive. So we have X is less than A, X less than A, or X is greater than B. Okay, so this is the exclusive OR. Okay, so we're looking for either it says or it has the union symbol. It looks like the U. So we can say this goes from negative infinity to A or from B to positive infinity. Okay, so when we graph this on the number line, same thing. It is exclusive, so we do not include the endpoints as part of the solution set. We reject them. So we highlight past the arrow in this case. Okay, and then in the last one, we have the X is less than or equal to A, or X is greater than or equal to B. Okay, so this is our inclusive OR. Okay, so inclusive OR just says that we can include each of the endpoints as part of the solution, but nothing in between them. Okay, and again, just like the other one, we are looking for the word or the union symbol. Now, on the inclusive and, a lot of times you might see it written out a little bit differently. You might see the intersection symbol, which is the upside down U or the N. So intersection, that means we have to include both of them. So the process that we're going to use to solve the quadratic inequality is we're going to rewrite the inequality as an equation for this process here. Okay, so we're going to change the inequality sign to an equal sign. That's all we're going to do. We're going to choose a method and then solve the equation to determine the critical points. So step 3, we're going to draw a number line that includes the critical points. Okay, so the critical points are your A and B in this case here. So A and B are your critical points. You're going to test an X value in each interval. If the X value results in a true statement, it should be included in the solution set. If the X value results in a false statement, it should not be included. And then we're going to complete the number line and write the solution set. I will see you in the next video for example 1.